Congratulations on your new Lotus Flower Candle Skirt. If you're here today, you've probably burned through your original candle and are looking to try and make it pretty once again. Now, we're showing off this frost-colored lotus flower for today. Now remember, it can be in this lotus flower position, or you can just bend the petals back and lay it down in that sunflower pattern. Now, that may be the optimal solution for you. However, sometimes people just love that lotus flower. So we're going to start over here. So we've got our semi-new candle. We're going to shove it in there. Now, a word of note, the base is stainless steel. You're not likely to cause it any harm by what we're doing today. So don't worry too much. So you want to force it through. So sometimes that means stretching the base over the candle. This is why I like the plastic base and not the cheap tins. As you can see here, the cheap tins kind of get deformed and don't do so well. So we're going to force this candle into the ring here. There we go. And so now all you have to do is put your thumbs on the interior, basically hovering over the petals and that metal base. And we're just going to fold it up, reach around with one hand, and pinch. And it helps if you pinch from four sides, so using both hands. And then just finally, if you noticed, I've just pushed it down to settle the candle in. So now it's flush with the base, and it's beautiful as ever. Now, some people may want to alter the petals a little bit by putting them in a specific little pattern, overlapping as they go, and that's perfectly acceptable. That's how it probably got delivered to you. And I do the same thing for each row. You don't necessarily need to go that deep into it, but that's what I like to do, just to make it pretty for the photos. So now, each candle skirt is a little different. They're handmade, so you may find that your candle skirt doesn't behave as nicely as maybe that frost one did. So let's see what this yellow one does. So we push that in, and once again, we're pinching across, spinning, and trying to walk that up. Sometimes alternating squeezing on either side helps a lot. There you go. And so let's try another one, just in case. So we're going to shove our candle in there. Remember, you're not going to hurt it. Let's go ahead and stretch that over. There you go. And we're going to put our thumbs there, and we're going to pinch. We're going to push down, and there you go. Pretty as ever. If you have any questions, don't feel afraid to reach out in the comments or send me a direct message on any of my social media platforms. I'll be more than happy to help you out. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked what you saw, be sure to hit that like button and then leave us a note in the comments about what you would like to be able to see in the future. And then subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified the moment your suggestion goes live. Remember, YouTube is not our only social media outlet, so check us out in other areas, and we look forward to seeing you out there. Have a good day.